Here's how to grind money with almost zero effort. First, make a plate form for the flying boat. Then add whatever block on top of it has to be 4 blocks. Then delete the block below.
I thought we could eat bread. I thought we could talk.
ONL to this block and make it face up, not down, left or right
days, with our boots kicked off. You look to me, and I look away.
Add this block.
Though I had been looking.
Then zoom in and add these blocks only those blocks. Add only 2, no more, no less. Then you can fly by pressing jump.